Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for stopping by, and this is gonna be a bit different episode because, well, currently nothing new has happened. I just wanted to make this video so everyone who's new to the channel knows that I haven't disappeared. Project's still ongoing. I negotiated with the sanders for the sanding to be made on the second frame. Now just a little hiccup with the welders, but other than that everything is ongoing. So I have new equipment for my patrol. I got myself new clutch wheel and everything. Only thing that's missing is clutch bearing, because the set came with a different type that doesn't fit mine. Also clutch cylinder and a whole set of poly bushes for everything. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, there we can see my old stuff. One more thing, I must give a huge shout out to, sorry if I'm butchering it, Pavel from Poland. Well, Pavel T, basically. Let's call him Pavel T. Big shout out to you, because that guy is amazing. He's helping me walk through all the steps that must be done for quality work, so I don't waste my time and everything, and money, mostly money. Yeah, big thanks to you. You're the best. Basically, thanks to all of my YouTube community. It's 123 people, but responses and help is coming in, so I can't be more happy about it. Okay, so for today my agenda is I want to clean up a bit the gearbox so it looks fresher. Also already prepared jack, so I want to take off the wheel and see what I need for brake system, because my brake system was totally messed up when I put this car here, and yeah, we need to rebuild it anyway, so all the wheels and everything, cylinders, everything will need to be fixed. Basically, yeah, only step back for now is money, that I don't have enough to buy everything in bulk and all together, but slowly but surely, as you can see, we're making progress. Also, yeah, I know this video will be a bit like talkative, but it is what it is. I just wanted for the new subscribers to make a video that I haven't disappeared. Project is ongoing. We're one step away from reassembly, and yeah, let's see what we can catch of today's work. Okay, so we have our one big issue. Yeah, as you can see, this should have been a pin that I could just move out, and it's broke. So, after quite a bit of effort, we finally got them. Maybe there was something smarter that needed to be done. But anyway. As you can see, this is how the brake pads are being used currently. That's just not right. But it makes sense considering that everything is stuck in place. Yeah. Should get this one off also, the brake. So yeah, I'm a little butthurt about the brake caliper, that it's broken, but basically I was expecting that, so I don't know why I'm so worried. Anyway, I will round up today's episode. Sorry for this weird episode, but the main thing I wanted to say that progress is happening, only a much slower pace. And big shout out again, I can't state that enough, big shout out to Pavel from Poland for all the suggestions and everything. Also, if anyone else has any suggestions how I must do things, feel free. I'm always open for suggestions because I'm not the best at this. Yeah, I won't wash it now. I will put everything back on. So yeah, this was my small update. Thank you everyone again for stopping by, for subscribing. We'll get to the frame, I guess. I hope that the next video will be within a month, because yeah, currently I can't promise anything because I don't know when the welding can be done. Sanding I can do any day. I already talked to people, they said just bring your frame, we'll take it from there. Actually I can ask, maybe they do welding also. We'll see. But the next video will be with the frame sanded and welded and everything painted. And in the meantime I need to figure out with all the suspension parts, brake parts, so when I get the new frame I can start putting things on there immediately, because before all the big snow comes in, like I want to get the body in already in here. We'll see. Okay, thanks everyone for stopping by, thanks for subscribing and for all your support. Leave thumbs up for you guys, for me, and see you in the next episode, whenever that will be. Bye.